not sure if you can hear this. This is where we are, stuck on the balcony in gusts of 135 miles an hour, general winds of 70 miles an hour, calming down sometimes. Here's where we are. Hot tub that we can't use because the top's going to blow off. Come out on the balcony without any gusts at the moment. Wind is still horrendous. Absolutely freezing. That's where we're stuck for the next 3 days. Go in beforehand. Absolutely freezes off. That's Reykjavik over there, I think. I'm not sure if I can blow to get out of the cabin. Oh, absolutely Arctic. This is our covered veranda in our lodge. I'm going to go in before I get blown away.